is the same as dividing A by B. So what that means is that for any form, A over B equals A over 1 times 1 over B, or A times 1 over B. Now for any division, we say these take three forms. A division can be written in this form using the division symbol, where these letters represent what we call variables. Now these are the three forms that the division takes. We calculate, when we do use long division, we calculate using this form. Now let's say if we're going to do a sequence 1 through 10 to divide 1 by each number from 1 through 10. So we say 1 divided by 2 takes that form. This bar here is called the division bar. Now we want to divide 1 by 2. We want to divide 1 by 2, or the fraction 1/2. We're going to convert the fraction to a decimal. Now we want to know how many times does 2 go into 1? How many times does 2 go into 1? So how many times does 2 fit into 1? 2 does not fit into 1. 2 is greater than 1. So we cannot divide, so 1 cannot be divided by 2 in this manner. So what we do is we use the decimal place. We use the decimal place, or the decimal point, and we place a 0 to the right of the decimal point, or to the right of 1. So we place a 0 to the right of the decimal point. And remember, the number 0 is a placeholder. So it's called a placeholder. Now we treat the division as if we were dividing 10 by 2 instead of 1. Now we treat the division as if we were calculating 10 divided by 2. Instead of 1 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 10 5 times. And we place this on top of the division bar. Since 2 goes into 10 5 times, we're going to place a 5 above in the 1's place. Or in the 10th place, actually. Excuse me. This will be the 10th place. We place a 0 in the 1's place. You see here in any form, we have a division. Here, A is called the dividend. B is called the divisor. And C is the quotient. So here, 2 we call 2 the divisor, 10 is our dividend, and 0.5 or 5, the number here, is our quotient.